thank Rotary Club Pune and Shabda Sayadri Foundation for providing me with this wonderful opportunity. I feel immensely blessed to be a part of this water conservation awareness campaign. Yes, you heard me right. Today I am going to commence a talk on a very common but the most crucial issue of our country, and that is water conservation. I feel it is the responsibility of each one of us. May it be a child, a youngster, or an old age person, everybody must be made aware of the water crisis and they must be made to conserve water in whatever little ways they can. As it is well said, little drops of water makes the mighty ocean. Similarly, a little contribution from your side could make a huge difference. As we all know, 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water, and this is the reason why many people think that, oh yeah, we have plenty of water. But my dear friend, please also take into consideration that 96%, more than 96% of the available water is in the seas and oceans. So we are left with below 3% of fresh water, and that too much of it is in the glaciers. So we have only 1% of potable water and 0.3% of groundwater. When we are so short of drinking water, how can we even afford to waste it? I think it is really insane to waste even a single drop of water. Henceforth, today I am going to share some techniques of water conservation which are already known but not much used. The first technique is saline water irrigation. Saline water is widely available, but it is rarely used for agriculture as it restricts plant growth and yield. But in recent times, crop varieties are developed which are salt resistant. So yes, now it is possible to use saline water for irrigation. Secondly, I would like to urge each one of you to use tippy tap for hand wash instead of the regular pipeline water supply. You must be wondering, what is a tippy tap? Tippy tap is a simple device which ensures a thorough hand wash with minimal use of water. For a normal hand wash at tap, we use about 300 to 500 milliliters of water. But by using a tippy tap, we can do the same task in 60 to 80. I would like to urge each one of you to use tippy tap for hand wash instead of the regular pipeline water supply. You must be wondering, what is a tippy tap? Tippy tap is a simple device which ensures a thorough hand wash with minimal use of water. For a normal hand wash at tap, we use about 300 to 500 milliliters of water. But by using a tippy tap, we can do the same task in 60 to 80 milliliters of water, henceforth saving the water. Also, the surplus amount of water from your basins must be collected and stored at appropriate locations. The interlinking of systems must be done. This is really beneficial for the water conservation considerably. Also, at individual levels, I would like to deliberately suggest you to please ensure that you use only that much water how much is required. Do not leave the tap running. Please close the taps and ensure that you don't have any leaking taps. Take shower but not with shower. I mean, while bath, use bucket and a mug. Also use the washing machine that consumes less amount of water. And at the end of the day, if you have a little water remaining in your water bottle, just don't throw it away but pour it in some plant. Lastly, I would like to remind you that water crises are not going to go away by themselves. On the contrary, they will worsen unless we work as a global community. We being an individual, as family, as community, as a company or as an institution, we need to work together and responsibly towards the water conservation. We need to use water really wisely. Remember that intelligence is not in lavishness but it is in conservation, so that our future generations can use the water, they can get the touch of water, and they can enjoy this blissful feeling. Lastly, I would like to remind you that it is your own moral responsibility towards this nation. We are not doing a favor to anybody. It is our responsibility. We are doing it for ourselves, for our families, for our own motherland, and for our future generations. So at the end, on behalf of Rotary Club Pune and Shabda Sahyadri Foundation, I would like to urge each one of you watching this video to not just visualize but also take actions towards the conservation of water. Hoping for a positive response from each one of you. Thank you.